Are you looking to sell your photos or videos on Freepik but don't know if you need a model release? Stick around, because in this video, I'll explain exactly when you need one and how to ensure your submissions are accepted every time. Hi guys! Before we dive into the requirements, let's quickly talk about why model releases are crucial. If a recognizable person appears in your content, you need their permission to use it commercially. This isn't just a Freepik rule. It's standard practice across the industry, helping to protect both you and the models in your work. For adult models, those 18 years and older, Freepik requires several details to be included. You'll need the contributor's full name, which matches the billing information on your Freepik account, plus the model's full name, address, date of birth, nationality, and their signature. Remember, only one contributor can appear on each release. Did you know Freepik accepts model release forms from major agencies like Adobe, Shutterstock, and even Easy Release? It's true, but they still have some specific guidelines you must follow. If you're dealing with minors, under 18, the rules are slightly different. You'll need the same details as the adult release, but also a parent or guardian's signature. And remember, Freepik doesn't allow any suggestive imagery of minors, even if fully clothed. Freepik has some extra rules to watch out for. Each release has to be uploaded separately. Don't combine them into one file. No digital alterations on the form. Use only Gregorian calendar dates. The number of model releases should match the number of models in your content. Want to know how to speed up the submission process? Download Freepik's official release forms from their website. They're available in English and Spanish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with fellow contributors. See you in the next one.